admission process at the Delhi University started from the first week of June, and a new change that has been introduced this year is that the entire admission process has been made online. With the cutoff soaring really high and reaching the apex, with students scoring 99% and above, the question is whether the university is only for the toppers. We have come to Kirorimal College seeking answers to various such questions, and we'll be indulging in conversation with the principal, Dinesh Khattar. So, the admission process for Delhi University this year has been completely made online. Has it increased the number of applications that you received?
Definitely, it has increased. It has increased manifold, in fact, because outside Delhi, lot number of students are applying now because it's very comfortable now to apply. They don't have to come to Delhi and apply it.
So, did you face any difficulty with the admission process this
The
year?
system is very user friendly, and the university has set up a very nice system, and our teaching and non-teaching staff is efficient enough to follow through the university system.
So, also the DU cutoff every year it soars more and more high. So, shall we say that DU is only for the toppers?
No, I will not say that. It is for girl students, for SC, ST, OBC, PWD, students from all corner of India. Being a central university, every student, it is for all.
So, also this year, girls are being given 1% relaxation cap. What do you have to say about it? What is it about?
In some of the colleges, they give relaxation up to 1%, and it has definitely increased in the intake of girl students in those colleges, where lesser number of girls take admission. And I'm pretty sure this will make a massive difference in the intake of girl students in the colleges.
So, if we talk about those students who have scored below 50% or 50%, what courses can they pursue?
To the best of my knowledge, all of them are eligible to apply for different courses through distance learning program. They can definitely apply through that.
So, also, is there any helpline number for the students, helpline website or number?
If any student has got any query regarding online admission procedure, an applicant can write an email to the address that is given in the information of bulletin. Also, they can write and they can resolve their queries through email.
So, there has been news that teachers have been boycotting the admission process. What is your take on that?
I will not comment on that officially, but I do believe that our Delhi University teachers, all our teachers are very responsible, and I'm very sure it will not disrupt the teaching learning process. That's I'm very sure.
Okay.
They are very responsible
Okay.
and conscientious teachers.
So, also, Kirorimal College has been amongst the top colleges of Delhi University. What all initiatives are you taking for students' benefit?
Last 1 year, we have initiated various projects for the infrastructure development of the college. The college hostel was in a dilapidated condition. It has been completely renovated, and the whole academic block, science block, library, and canteen all are under the process of renovation, and very soon the process will also be complete. And today is the time of interdisciplinary research. So lots of innovation research, innovation projects are going on in different departments where our students and teachers are actively participating in that.
So, selection of the students is based basically on the merit list. So, the more percentage a student is getting, the higher the chances of him getting admission. Why can't we have a single common entrance test for the same?
The way percentage is increasing every year, I also feel that we are slowly inching towards the entrance test, the way the percentage is increasing. And the major reason being because students from different boards are coming over here, and there is a disparity in the evaluation procedure of different boards. So it is very important that we should have a single entrance test where all the students are tested through the same type of exam.
So, applications from transgenders have been encouraged this year. Lots and lots of awareness has been made amongst the transgender community by the teachers as well as by the students. Have you seen a difference in the number of applications?
For that, actually, the data is not available with us because it is all centralized. Okay. So I will not be able to comment. You will have to ask university officials for that. Okay. Is there any change or not?
Okay. So one last question. DU is doing lots of things for students with disabilities. What all other initiatives are you planning to take for that?
See, in our college, what we have done is all the differently abled students in our college, they'll have to go to a single room regarding all admission related process, and it will be done there, and our volunteers from the enabling unit Prayas and equal opportunity cell, they will be helping them, so they'll have to come to one single room only. And we have already done one open house also, where all kinds of queries, where deputy dean students welfare also came, and we have all kinds of queries of different applicants, even differently able students also were resolved.